there, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's like that. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in another second.
Still talking about...
Call you back. It was on vibrate. Sure traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Okay, guys, so I guess this detour is a little longer than expected. Well, it looks like we're going to be in a little bit of a car chase here. So, it won't be a great time to throw these 3D glasses. I think that's probably protection really ahead of this car chase here. But don't worry, we have the best driver around, you guys. The best driver in the biz here at Doozy has our backs, and he's going to get us to safety. So, just hang tight. I have a feeling things are going to get fast and furious.
Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
Move! After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Cover them up. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
God, look out!
You give me the witness till I we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Call it the dogs!
Way to go, Letty.
Don't want another missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Don't shoot! Head for the bridge! Under construction!
Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.